This course aims to build practical capability to plan, execute, and document internal audits in banking environments with a structured, risk-based approach. Participants will understand the audit lifecycle, including planning, scoping, walkthroughs, sampling, control testing, reporting, and follow-up. The course focuses on distinguishing audit types such as internal audit, concurrent audit, and branch inspection, while strengthening skills in evidence documentation, working papers, and observation drafting. Learners will also develop the ability to identify control gaps across areas like KYC, loan documentation, and reconciliations, and link audit findings to risk impact and governance expectations within a regulated banking framework.